right into this wonderful 6-bedroom colonial in Lodi, New Jersey in Bergen County. This home comes with many amenities including hardwood floors, a huge gourmet kitchen which is fantastic, including granite tops, a large island, and stainless steel appliances. There is also a finished basement with a laundry area as well. There is a large deck to go along with a large rear yard. The home is in move-in condition and is on a private dead-end street. For more information on this and other homes in Bergen County and in Lodi, New Jersey, please call Erica at 201-288-5533.